Understanding 10-foot pole. A guide to idiomatic English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, 10-foot pole. This idiom is widely used in English conversations and can be quite puzzling for language learners. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, "I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole," means that you would not want to be involved with something or someone, no matter the circumstances. It's a way to express a strong aversion or dislike. Interestingly, the 10-foot pole part of the phrase is just a way to emphasize the desire to maintain distance. This idiom dates back to the 19th century. The 10-foot pole was a literal tool, like a long stick, used to measure or avoid touching something undesirable. Understanding the origin helps in grasping why it's used to express a desire to avoid something completely. Let's look at some examples. 1. After hearing about the company's poor ethics, I wouldn't touch their products with a 10-foot pole. 2. He's so rude, I wouldn't go near him with a 10-foot pole. These sentences show how the phrase can be adapted to various contexts, always maintaining its core meaning of strong avoidance. A common mistake learners make is using the phrase in a literal sense. Remember, it's a metaphorical expression. Also, it's specifically used to show avoidance or dislike, not just general distance or separation. So, that's all about the phrase, 10-foot pole. It's a colorful way to express a strong unwillingness to be involved with something. Try using it in your conversations to sound more like a native speaker. Hope this video helps you understand and use this interesting English idiom. Happy learning!